Now we can study adjacent angles. Can you see? Here two angles are there. Angle 1 and 2. Here we can say these lines are arms of angles. Here it's a common vertex. This joining point is known as vertex. Got it? Then this line, can you see? This line is common for this angle and this angle. That is, it's a ray. Clear? It's a ray. This ray is common for these two angles. That is, we can notice one common arm. So clearly we can say these two rays are not common. Okay, non-common arms. Common arms. These two. This is a common arm also. And we can notice one more thing. Here, common vertex. Common vertex. Also, non-common arms are either side of this common arm. Only one common arm and two non-common arms. Two non-common arms lies both side of this common arms. Clear? So we can say this is adjacent angles. Okay? These two are adjacent angles. These two are adjacent angles. Here everywhere we can notice one common vertex, one common arm, two non-common arms lies either side of this common arm. Clear? Keep it in your mind. Adjacent angles. Now we can study linear pair. It's a pair of adjacent angles. Linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. Okay, that is. Okay, these two are adjacent angles. We have studied adjacent angles. Clear? But listen, one common vertex. You can see one common vertex. And here one ray, here another one, and here another one. This ray is common arm for these two adjacent angles. And this ray, we can say, this ray is the opposite of this ray. Clear? One common arm will be there and other two rays will be opposite to each other. Okay. Then here, clear? Adjacent angles, common vertex, common arm, and other two sides are opposite to each other. Okay, from here to there. And listen, the sum will be 180. Sum of angles will be 180 for linear pair. Clear, children? We can say a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Whose non-common, common arm and non-common arms. One common arm, non-common arms. Non-common arms are opposite rays. Clear? Got it. And the sum of the angles 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a linear pair is 180 degree. Okay. Now we can study vertically opposite angles. Here you can see one line and second line. Okay. Here you can see they intersected here. This is known as intersecting point of these two lines. We can name these lines as L and M. Line L and M. This joint at O. We can name this one as O. The intersecting point of line L and M is known as O. We can notice 4 angles. How many angles? 4 angles formed while intersecting L and M. We can name 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. We can say this angle is opposite to this angle and 4 is opposite to 2. 1 is opposite to 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Also, angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Also, we can understand angle 1 is equal to angle 3. If angle 1 is 120 degree, this also will be 120 degree. Okay. If it is 60 degree, this also will be 60 degree. So we can say angle 2 and angle 4 will be equal in measurement. That is, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. Clear? Here you can see a common vertex. When two lines are intersecting, we will get 4 angles, opposite angles, that is known as vertically opposite angles we will get. These vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay.